Well, universe is everything, everything for us and for the planet. And universe, it's a word which derives from Latin word universum, which means energy creator, and it provides energy to everyone in the world. And there are moon and sun and earth, so all are under the universe. Even you are under the universe. And for universe, if you think positive, then universe provides you positive energy. Like it's a, as I told you, it's an energy creator. So you'll have to think positive things in your life. Like like if I say an example, like I have an example. I have an exam today. So for this, I will pray to universe that please help me to pass this exam. Obviously, you'll have to study for this, and universe will help you to achieve your goal. So you'll have to believe this, believe your universe, and you'll have to, you know, believe your dreams, and you'll have to think your dreams, and at the same time, you'll have to let them know all to the universe. Then everything will happen. So believe in universe.